Look at the view behind me.
And that was the view from my local church. I would never want to leave.
Alright, so I've just put the drone up. It's not off the Jacobite Train, which you may see if you're a massive Harry Potter fan. Hello everyone, I am Lewis, you are watching Lost in Travel, and it's an early one for me. I've not been up at this time in a long time, but usually if you are up at this time and you're not having to go to work or do any sort of like stuff like that, you know you're in store for a good day. So hello everybody, and welcome on here to a brand new vlog. I've got some exciting plans for today. We're going to be heading straight up to the Highlands on a nice day trip, so we have to get up early to make it worthwhile. And we are seeing something that I've been dreaming to see for a long time. Let's get on the road.
There's a light from a million suns burning through your blood. Feel the rivers run, a window to the hope and wildest truth. It's all for you. There's a song and it sings in the air. Wonderful the sound, hear it everywhere. Shouting like a drum, it echoes through. It's all
So we have just got out of the car at the Glenfinnan Viaduct Visitor Centre. Yes, it's finally time to go see this lovely viaduct, which is not off the Jacobite Train, which you may see if you're a massive Harry Potter fan. I'm not the biggest Harry Potter fan, but I've been interested in seeing this and capturing it for myself because a lot of Scottish photographers get this on Instagram, and now it's finally my turn. Let's go. There's one thing I'm not too happy about though. The weather was brilliant back home, like really good start to the day, but right now it's actually quite chilly. Like the weather is not that decent, but 17 degrees. There is rain spells forecast. Let's hope it doesn't come down. Look at the view behind me. Oh, that's the view now. Can't wait to get right to the viewpoint.
I think over there where all those people are.
That is the front facing view, but it looks like it'll be a bit packed at the moment. I think I'm going to set the tripod up right here and see how that looks.
There's a whisper of the silence, I can hear it calling me. There are secrets in the darkness, there's a light beyond our reach. Time stands still, we find the key. Open the door and unlock these dreams.
Oh my god guys, so I have just seen the Jacobite leave over the Glenfinnan Viaduct, and what a spectacular sight it was. I was standing all the way over there getting a nice full landscape facing view off it, just the way it just steamed past, the way it just honked its horn, and you knew that you were in for a treat. Definitely come to Glenfinnan and see the Jacobite come over. You can come and see the ScotRail as well, but definitely time it for the Jacobite. The link will be in the description for the timetable. I think it leaves about 2-3 times, so definitely make sure to come and see it. Alright, so we've just walked to the other side of the viaduct, and oh boy, I don't know why there's not a lot of people here, because the scenery is absolutely outstanding. It looks amazing from over there, so I bet it'll look even better from back there. But I just wanted to say that I believe that the train that goes by is called the Jacobite, mainly because of the Jacobite rising here in the Highlands. Let's go up and see this location that Harry Potter made famous. I love the way it echoes when you talk underneath the viaduct. Subscribe to Lost in Travel! So right now we're just at Loch Shiel. Behind me is the Bonnie Prince Charlie Monument. I don't know if that's exactly what it's called, but it's Bonnie Prince Charlie up there. And you've probably heard his name a lot in my previous vlogs in Fort George. We learned about him because the Battle of Culloden was the last battle that took place in the Jacobite Rising. But right now, we're here, of course, 1745. Bonnie Prince Charlie brought his men here and he fought the British. What a view it would be to fight, by the way. I want to say that before, I wouldn't be able to fight. I'd be admiring the view and then I'd get my head chopped off or something like that. But this was where he was on the 19th of August. He started the battle from here. Very wonderful. I wonder what that house is over there. Let me go check it out.
This is breathtaking. Bravo!
Wowzers, guys. You won't believe how amazing the view is. Just right here down at the bottom of Loch Shiel. Let's take 15 seconds to relax, take a breath. That's my hair, goes all over the place. It blows my mind every single time how this is just a day trip. Like, I've left like probably 3 hours away and these are the views I'm looking at. Incredible. I think this is called St. Mary's Church and this church may have the best view of all time. Let me show you.
Oh, when you walk in, I know I'll never be the same again. Oh, you're everything I've dreamt and more. You are the one that I've been waiting for. You take my breath away.
If I was a religious person and that was the view from my local church, I would never want to leave.
So welcome on here everyone to a very windy Fort William right now. Behind me is the old boat of coal, also it's the Corpet shipwreck, and this is quite the photographer hotspot. So in 1975 this boat was made to go away and catch some herring, but in the last 10 years or so it just started to rust and is now found in this very location, looking remarkable here. It really does make you wonder, like, what is its story, what is its background? It is such an amazing thing just to find here in the Highlands, and you do just wonder what is the story behind it, what is its meaning. And you know, if you never knew the backstory to this, you'd really think that you're in some kind of like horror movie coming across this abandoned shipwreck. For some reason I decided that I wanted to check out the other side, but the water's coming right up to here, so I'm just an idiot. Okay. The side is very smooth from there actually, so it was worth a try. Maybe one of the coolest finds on this whole trip today, but we've got one more place that I am dying to get to. Let's take you there right now. I have to say, there is worse views I could be staring at in a traffic jam. Alright, so you've got to scrap the idea of one more location for today because the road was actually closed due to an incident. I believe there was a fatality, so rest in peace to whoever was involved in that incident, and my dear condolences to the family of that individual or multiple people, I do not know. But it closed the road, so we couldn't actually end up in Glencoe. Well, of course, that's not the most important thing here, because Glencoe is not going to leave. I can go eventually, but it does mean I'm going to have to wrap up this video, unfortunately. So for anyone excited to go to Glencoe, well, you just have to wait for another vlog, because one day I will be up there and I will see that house. I'm telling you, I will go see that house. But anyways, thank you all for joining me on today's video. It was a lovely, lovely day. The weather is a lot more brighter down south, but I love it up north. The Highlands is great, and it is so great that they're literally on my doorstep. I done this in a day. We got up at 6, we left at about 7, and right now it must be about 5:30 in the evening. Still bright outside. I can still enjoy my day unless I fall asleep because of how tired today has been. It's been quite a busy day, but I've seen everything and it has been tremendous. But anyway guys, if you did enjoy today's video, then please drop a like. It really does help out a ton. Share with all your family and your friends, and subscribe so you do not miss any vlogs. Every single Sunday I will be uploading a vlog. And check out all my social medias, because why not? I've started a TikTok recently, so please go check it out. The link is in the description. Anyways, I'll catch you all next time. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Have a barbecue for me, guys. I'm still in the mood for one. And anyways, I'll catch you all later. Bye!
Come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away.